Hey, it's Leah, and today I wanted to talk about three-click marketing. This is absolutely so simple and easy that anyone can do it. If you're looking for leads or content or analytics, anything like that, this system will give you all that information. So when you log into your account, you'll be able to go ahead and start the three-click marketing. So if you're lacking time or stuff to get out content and share it, and grow your email list, this is absolutely the easiest marketing you can do. So here I am in the Royaltie website, and the link will be down below. But once you log in, all you have to do is the three-click marketing. They've already done that for you. We're showing this is a 65% match of my keywords that I already put into the system to let them know what I'm marketing as. You can always scroll through if you didn't like that one and just pick different ones. So I'm going to go back to that first one. So it's optimizing for searcher, internet, explained in 7 visuals. So instead of me having to go out and do videos or find content or any of that, because we all know that we're lacking time. Time just goes so fast and we don't spend enough time on our business and growing and expanding it with new people. So here this just does the marketing for you. If you have any problems, far right hand side, you can see that you can start a conversation, start a live video chat with support, and get help immediately. If you need to know how to do a landing page, create an email campaign, how to set up your ad, all these videos are right here, give you a step-by-step option also. I absolutely love the support. You can get right on video chat, show them your screen, and they can help you out immediately. All right, so I'm going to go ahead with the three-click marketing today. We'll go ahead and hit start. I might have to close this window here. Let's see what's going on here. All right, it took me a while to get logged in, so maybe I'll just log out and then log back in and we'll see how this goes. But normally it's super simple and fast. So I don't know if it's because I waited too long or what. So let me just go ahead and log out and log back in here. All right, so I went ahead and just logged out. So this is the page you will see down below that'll take you directly into the information that is available for you. So go ahead and log in. Give a minute for my system to log in here. And it'll automatically be creating those content marketing things for you. So it is pulling from the web. Soon on April 4th, there will be a conference where they will be showing more information and also showing the retargeting that's coming. So let's go ahead and do this. Earlier I said I didn't want to do this, so maybe that's the reason. So, but here you can still post. So now, oh, here we go. Are you sure you want to exit the three-click marketing? So back to three-click marketing. I'm going to go ahead and select my Facebook and share. My internet's a little slow here. I'm going to add it to both my news feed and my story time. All I do is go ahead and select post. And normally it's faster than this, so just sharing the screen is a little slower. And have you succeeded with publishing your post? Yes. Your social marketing is done. Great. Would you like to add this content to your website blog? Hit yes. It'll automatically do that for you. Awesome. Would you like to email this content out to your followers? Yes or no? I select yes. And now my email is done. All that is three-click marketing, and all you have to do is just go ahead and select those. Each and every day it's adding new content into your Facebook, and you can do your own post also. So this one was my own post, and this is what it's going to look like. So it's going to allow that individual to see my video once they add their name, phone number, and email. It's not required. but they can go ahead and watch the video. On the far left-hand side, you can see add to form or it's required. So none of those are required, so you can still see the video without doing that. But this is a great way to grow your email list and to be able to see what individuals are looking for and if they'd like to learn more about this system or any of the marketing that you're sharing. So right here, it's simple and easy. All I have to do is select post. I've already done this to Facebook, so I'm going to hit share and just type in whatever you want. Oops, boy. And here I like to add a couple of hashtags. All right, go ahead and tweet it. And now it's done. You can just hit OK. Great. I would like to add that. I don't think I did yesterday. And I'm going to email it out. So as you create your own content, you definitely can do the exact same 3 marketing tips and be done with the day. Now you can always go back to your stats and you can monitor to see what's working well and who's looking at what. So analytics are always on this page. You can see that other people, I don't know where this Ashburn keeps coming in, but they keep looking at stuff. You have pages and pages of stuff that you can see, and you can see the growth that comes in. Here's also the devices and the locations. So it looks like I need to do some more locations, what pages they're looking at, and that is all here on the analytic page. Far left-hand side, you'll be able to see your online ads. So I do have my ads running there. You can also monitor and change. Here I can select my websites. And so I create all kinds of different websites right in here. It makes it quick and fast, and then that way you're getting your opt-in. So even on this one, this is a one for Royaltie that allows me to change and alter, make it, be my content and not somebody else's. So here I can just do a preview. And I updated a bunch of information yesterday, and here they can opt in to learn more. They can test it out, and down below, you can even contact me direct. So getting started, right here will be the blog information. You can always see more. As you can see, I need to add more. But that is the great blog information, and those are the ones that's going to help you out with your website. So you can close that. You can change and alter anything that you want. Here we go to the email marketing. Email marketing's right here for you. They just added where you can add video now into your emails. I have not tried it yet. It just came out. So I'm excited to see how that works. Take you directly to grow and expand your YouTube, or maybe you have that video on a different blog or a different place, and that allows you to add it right in there. My internet is super slow, so let's see here. So here you can always go in and edit, change these, and they're absolutely beautiful. So you can put whatever you want, say learn more, and go directly to where you need it to go. Far left-hand side, we can see that they added a video. So let's go ahead and select that. So it looks like it would need to be hosted in some type of hosting, such as YouTube or Vimeo. And that way you can add it in here. So here, I need to go in and change some of my emails, I can tell, because we no longer have the free demo, but we do have support to answer any questions. So here I could jump over to my YouTube and let's see how this works. Doing this right on the spot. I have no idea how this works or even how it looks. So let's see here. We'll jump into the videos. And I could even go back to this one. do remarketing is coming. All right, and this is where I talk about this marketing. Let's go ahead and select share. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to Royaltie, and I'm going to add that link. Right there, it'll plug in for me. So if I want to add a heading, I could definitely do that, or whatever you want. I don't really like adding those, but it's truly up to you if you want to add more information. Could jump over to style. I like to change this to 0 just so it'll be closer up, and go ahead and select OK. All right, that looks absolutely amazing. Hit save. Says that it's updated. And now I can save and exit. Well, I'm super excited to do that. So now you can add video into that. Far left-hand side, you can select if you want to run or pause it, duplicate, send individually, share with a team, rename it, move it, and delete it. So you can make as many of these as you like. I'm going to go ahead and save and exit. And at first I didn't know how to make these, so I need to combine a bunch of these, but it's a great way to add as many emails as you want. And right here, you can do whatever you need. Now go ahead and add that video. This is a different one, a different system, so I will add that video in there. So I'll save and exit. So it looks like I have some work to do to work on my stuff. And then on the far left-hand side, we're back to social marketing. So here you can do your online ads, website blogs, opt-in pages, email marketing, social marketing, and the 3-click marketing is here and easy to do. If you have any questions or anything I can help with, please let me know. Let's go ahead and get you started. If you get started before April 4th, you will be part of the current system. It will change a little bit and give you a little less after April 4th, but it will include that retargeting. So if you're looking for retargeting on any of your products, JVZoo, ClickBank, anything like that, right here is going to be the perfect system. I'll see you on my next video. I appreciate you watching and have a great day. Bye for now.